In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view LinkedIn profiles in private mode. Imagine you want to look at someone's professional page, but you'd prefer to do it discreetly without them knowing. Well, LinkedIn has a useful feature just for that, and I'll guide you through how to set it up on your mobile device. First things first, make sure you have the LinkedIn mobile app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. Now, once you're in the app, look at the top left corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. By doing so, you'll open up the menu where you can find various settings pertaining to your LinkedIn account. Next, you want to scroll through the options and find the Settings tab. Tap on that, and soon enough, you'll see a range of settings designed to customize your LinkedIn experience. What we need to focus on here is a setting called Visibility. Tap on this option, and it'll bring you to a screen dedicated to the visibility of your profile and network. Among the different visibility settings, you'll find one labeled Profile Viewing Options. Once you tap on that, you'll be met with a few different choices. Now here's where the magic happens. Select the option for Private Mode. When you choose this, your profile will be anonymous to others as you browse through LinkedIn. People will see a generic, anonymous LinkedIn member rather than your profile specifics. Just like that, you've activated Private Mode, and you can browse freely, knowing that your identity remains hidden from other LinkedIn users. Whether you're doing industry research or simply curious about someone's profile, this feature ensures your privacy while exploring LinkedIn. If you found this guide helpful and want to keep your LinkedIn browsing discreet, remember to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks on LinkedIn and more. I hope you feel more empowered to use LinkedIn with this newfound knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.